Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today I'm going to show you guys a little update on the house and a few other things. They're out here grading before the pre-slab, finishing it up. That way the exterminator can come out, they could put the plastic barrier down for moisture, and then they can pour it next week. So let's take a look at things. Yeah, there's a bobcat in my kitchen, guys. Look at there. Yeah, you can see what they're doing. He's spreading it out, packing it down, getting it all level, ready for, like I said before, the exterminator, the plastic barrier, and the rebar. And then they'll build a port sometime next week. So that's pretty exciting. Then we can start hopefully getting it framed up. But I'll walk around. I want to show you guys the pigs and some other stuff. So I'll take you along with that. And also, I might get my drone out and show you guys a little aerial footage. What's up, Jesse? Jesse's getting his evening meal in. The ladies over here aren't getting any. I had to come in here. Hold on a second. You guys see I changed. I had to stop my vlog earlier today because we had to go to town and do some things. But I want to come out here. You guys seen, I took some good drone footage of them working on the pad. They got it ready for the exterminator, and then they'll put the plastic barrier and all that stuff, like I said before. But I want to come out here. I want to do an update on the pigs, and also I'm going to show you a problem I have out here on my lot that I got in here. It's a bad problem to have. If you don't get it under control quick, it will overtake the whole field, and I'll show you what it is. I thought I got it under control when I burnt it, but I didn't. But I'll come over and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, before I show you guys the pigs, I'm going to show you guys the problem. Do you guys see the problem? All these thistles, we call them thistles. They're just a big weed, but they will take over big time. There's one right there, one right there, right there. They're everywhere. They will take over your whole field, and they won't have any grass to eat. You can just see them. They're everywhere, all through there. Let's walk over there. And them suckers are sharp too. I'm wearing shorts out here, and I gotta walk through these, and they hurt. But I mean, it's just like I'm growing crop out here, guys. You can see them all. That's all thistle. Last year, I came out here and sprayed them all. I don't like spraying because they got the bees and all that stuff. But sometimes you just you have to take care of them. Like I said before, with the controlled burn me and my brother did, I thought it took care of them, but it didn't. So actually, what I'm going to try one more thing. I'm going to bring my weed eater out here, not right now, but probably tomorrow evening, and I'm going to try to mow most of these down. Actually, I'll first bring my mower out here and just mow most of these down. They will regrow, but maybe I can stunt the growth, and then if I have to, I will spray them eventually. But right now I want to stunt the growth because they're just taking over the whole lot. I mean, you can't have that. You won't have any grass for your animals to feed on. But you can see they're just everywhere. It's a big problem, and there's a bunch of them you guys don't see. They're real little, but you can see all these big ones. You can just see them all. I mean, it's crazy. That's not good. You can see the new ladies over there. I'll zoom in for you guys. I'll be doing another video on them later on. Today I just want to show you guys the pigs. I wanted to show you an update of what we got done at the house. So let's go over here and look at the pigs. I'm turning the water on to fill up their mud hole, and let's go take a look at them. She needs to start shedding, and so does she. I don't want to shave you guys, but if I have to, I will. Start shedding, you guys. It's too hot for that. Too hot. Okay, piggy, piggy, piggy. Hey, piggy, piggy. Look at him. Look how big that middle one, the brown one, is compared to the other two. My gosh. That's got to be the red wattle coming out there. It's growing like crazy. Oink. They're starting to friendly up to me. I just can't believe the size difference. It's crazy. You know, she was like 2 weeks older than them, but she is growing like she's 2 months older than them. And you always have that one mature. If you're raising more than one, there's always going to be a more dominant one. And she was already had a head start on bigger, so she was by far the dominant one. She's not mean to him, as far as I can tell. You can see they're giving each other kisses. But she definitely gets her fill of feed before they're allowed to. You can tell that just in the size growth. Size difference in them. It's crazy. You can see the automatic water is doing awesome. She's peeing in her mud hole. It's okay. Get you a drink. You can get a little drink. Trying. This is for all you pig lovers out there. You guys can pen raised pigs and still have a healthy, happy pig. They don't have to be field raised, pasture raised. They don't have to be. And I've proven that over the last 5 or 6 years. My pigs are always healthy and happy. See, they're trying. She's over here trying to give me a hug. Don't bite my finger. You can see her down there. But you guys can raise pigs in a pen and they're going to be healthy and happy. I know there's a big thing going out that you raise pasture raised pigs, and that's fine. If you're able to do that, go for it. I probably could here now that they're big enough they can't get through my fence, but I don't want to mess with it right now. When I build the new pig pen, I'll have them a grazing area. It's going to be really nice. But yeah, guys, that's one thing. You guys don't get caught up in the whole thing about you have to have pasture raised animals, because you don't. I mean, are they healthier for you? I don't know. I'm sure there's a lot of experts out there that might know that, but I've never had any issues with the pigs I raise in the pen, and they've always tasted great and they're always healthy. So I mean, you guys don't be discouraged if you want to raise pigs and you don't have a big area to raise them. You don't need a big area. Right there, that's like 36 by 16. I mean, with the 7 or 8 by 8 lean-to on. That's all you guys need to raise pigs. And I got 3 in there. I usually just raise 2 and 3. That's plenty size for 3 pigs. I'm telling you guys, get the right feed for them. Get automatic water. You guys are ready to go. Get an automatic feeder like I got. I've made a lot of videos on my automatic setup, so guys, go check them out in the playlist and the pig videos if you guys are interested in how I started raising pigs. But I love raising pigs. Pigs are probably my favorite animal to raise, to come out and watch, because they're so playful and it's really relaxing to watch them. Now I love my sheep, but my sheep serve a purpose as far as they make extra income for me. And you guys know I wasn't going to start building my flock back, but I ended up getting 5 more, and I'll go into another video on that deal and explain everything to you guys. But yeah, pigs are my favorite, and chickens, but their sheep are the money maker for me, and I do pretty well with them whenever I have them. We sold last fall and haven't replenished the stock yet, the flock yet. There's reasons behind that, but I'll get in that later. But all right, guys, I hope you guys like this update of the house. Kind of slowed down. Hopefully it picks back up next week, and hopefully in the next few weeks we start getting it framed in. That'd be awesome. I think once we start getting it framed in, I can start getting things moving a lot quicker, and we can get moved into it. My goal is I want to be in there before Thanksgiving. I know that's a long ways away, but that's my goal. I want to be in there. I want to have our Thanksgiving dinner at our new house and have the family over and stuff. So that's the goal. All right, guys, hope you like this quick update of the house and the pigs. Like I said before, you don't have to raise pigs in on a pasture. You don't have to do it. You can have a pen just like I got, and they will do great. Hey guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that button and click the little bell for notifications and smash that like button if you like this video. I really do appreciate it, guys. I love all the good feedback, the comments you guys give me. Keep it up. It keeps me wanting to put videos out for you guys. So talk to you guys next time. Thanks for watching.